How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can replace text in GIMP. So the first thing that you want to do is to add your text onto your image. So to do that, you could press T on your keyboard, which will take us to the text tool, or you could just click on this option and then drag and drop your text onto your image. So in my case, it's going to be this one, and I'm going to make this a bit smaller. Let's do something like 25. And as an example, let's type something like small text in here. Now, if you want to edit your text, maybe you have exit out of the text right here, and you cannot simply edit this the way you want to. What you can do is to simply select the text layer, which is going to be this one. And then right after, you can just navigate back to the text tool, click on the layer once again, and then if you click on it, it will automatically be edited. So in here, you could just start typing, and then that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.